All right, so we're on pages 18 and 19, a very important set of pages in the book. These pages are important because this is how we learn the names of our notes. Now, a lot of people think that learning how to read music is complicated, and it's not, okay? It's actually very, very simple. You just need to remember some basic rules and commit those to memory, and once you've learned those basic rules, reading music is a piece of cake. The first rule you need to remember is that we use the first 7 letters of the alphabet for our notes. We use A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Piano keys are named for the first 7 letters of the alphabet, beginning with A. To find A on the keyboard, find any 3 black key group, play the white key in between the second and third black keys. So let's start on the left-hand side. Is this a group of 3? No, that's a group of 2. This is a group of 3. Between the second and third black key, the white key is called A. Let's play it. Okay, now we're going to take that same answer and we're going to copy it. So you can use your other hand and find the same thing. 3 black keys between the second and third one. Here's A. Okay, you can cross it over your hand if you like. Next group of 3 between the second and third black key. This is A. Next group of 3, 1, 2, 3 between here. This is A. And the last one is right here. Okay. All right. Next, on page 19. An easy way to find any white key. Play and name each of the following white keys. Play all the A's on your piano, then all the B's, etc. Use left hand 3 for keys below the middle of the keyboard. Use right hand 3 for keys above the middle of the keyboard. So they want us to use our third fingers on both hands to do all the work. Now we've just done all the A's, so now we're just going to do all the B's. So you look for the 3 group of black keys. This key right here is called B, so we're going to play with our left hand third finger, B. And then copy our answer to here, B. And then right hand, third finger, the first B that we get is here. And we have another B here. And lastly, we have another B here. Now, all the C's. So we look for a group of 2 black keys, and it's going to be the white key just to the left of it. So here's the first set of 2 black keys, and this is C. So we're going to use our third finger. We're going to play C. Go up exactly an octave, and we go to this C. And then we're going to play this C also with our third finger left hand. Now right hand's turn, third finger C is right here. Next C is here. And the last C is hiding. It's the very last key. Okay, all the D's. D is in between the set of 2 black keys. This is going to be D, so we play D here. And left hand D here. Right hand third finger goes on this key here. And then D here. And lastly, this D here. All right, next we have E. Now E is after the 2 black keys. We have an E right here. We use our third finger, E. And left hand E here. And then right hand's going to take over, third finger here. And go an octave higher. And then the last E. And now all the F's. So we look for the group of 3 black keys. It's the white key just before the first black key there in that group. It's called F. Next F. Now right hand's turn, F. And this F. And this F. And now all the G's. Group of 3 black keys between the first and second black key is G. So now we're going to play all the G's. G, G, right hand's turn, G, G, G. Now we can name every white key on the piano. The key names are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, used over and over. Play and name every white key going up the keyboard beginning with the bottom key. Now they say the bottom key is A. On a real piano, which is much wider, you have more notes to the left and more notes to the right. The very first white key on a real piano is an A. But this is not a real piano. This is a keyboard, and it's a student keyboard. It only has 61 keys instead of 88 keys. So the first key on this keyboard is not A. It's C. Just like the picture shows us, this is a C. So let's start our alphabet with the letter C. C, D, E, F, G. After G, we go back to the beginning of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Go back to the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that's page 19.